everyone, today I will talk for you about the water cycle life. First step, the sun heated the water and the water evaporates. Then the water will turn to water vapor and raise up and form a cloud. Then the cloud will start raining and the rain will freeze and be ice crystals. Then the ice crystals will turn back and...
Hi, today I will talk about light source. Light source, we have not nature light and artificial light. The nature light, it's not man-made, like the sun, stars, fire, lightning, and firefly. The sun gives its own light, and the fire with the lightning.
Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about states of matter. Here we have solid. Solid, the particles are connected together. For example, like a cube or a wood. And here we have liquid. Particles are a bit far away. Example, we have soda. Here we have gas. The particles are so far. Example is...
Hi, my name is Abdurrahman. Today I have evaporated. This is the sun. This is the arrows of the sunlight. When the arrows of the sunlight hit into the water will get steam or water vapor. Thank you.
My name is Abdul Fattah. Today I'm going to talk about the water cycle. First, the sun will heat the water and it will evaporate. When it evaporates, the water vapor will rise and condenses to be a cloud. The cloud will rain and the water will flow back into the sea. Thank you.
My name is Uthman. Today I want to talk about something we use it in our life, which is the state of matter. Liquid, solid, and gas. First, liquid. The particles in a liquid are close together, giving it a fixed shape. Particles take up the shape of its container because the particles can move. Second, we have the solid. The particles in a solid are packed very closely together, giving it a fixed shape. Now I'm gonna give you an example. Like when we do a cup of tea, we need to condense the water to let it like we can drink it. An example of...
Hi, my name is Lorraine. I'm 10 years old, and today I'm going to talk about the water cycle. So this is the water cycle. The sun heats the water of the river. Then the water evaporates and turns into steam. It meets cooler air and forms clouds. Then a wind will mix with the clouds. It will rain. Then when it rains, it's gonna make us...
Hello, my name is Ali. Today I was gonna talk about water cycle. When the sun is heated the water become, it says evaporation, it will gonna make a cloud, after it will gonna rain, and the water it will gonna come to the sea.
When, for example, when the sun heats the water, what happens?
It's evaporation.
Evaporates, okay. So when we have water coming from clouds, this is called what?
Water cycle.
Hi, my name is Zahra. I am 11 years old. Today I'm talking about periscopes. Periscopes are tubes or long boxes containing two mirrors. We use to see outline of sight, like this picture. Here the light blocks the first mirror, and then the first mirror reflects the second mirror, and the second mirror reflects the girl's eyes. And here's another picture. There's a man here. He is seeing the light reflects it to this, and then
Hello, my name is Larin. Today I'm going to talk about opaque, transparent, and translucent. Opaque is when the material blocks all the light, and transparent is when the material lets all the light go through, and translucent is when some light goes through the material. And here are some pictures like the spoon. It is opaque.
My name is Rival. Today we're gonna talk about evaporation. Here, when the sun shines at water, the water evaporates. And this is named water vapor. The water vapor met with the cool surfaces. The cool surfaces will turn to cloud, and then the wind will remove it from here to here. If it up, it will rain snow, and the snow will melt, and it will turn to water. If it down, it will rain water, and the water will flow back.